no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast.
You're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow, mysterious. That's the part you always show. You're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice.
The payment is successful. I have paid for it now, and I'm gonna finally open the Elite Players bundle. Now it's gonna give us an Elite Player plus a bundle of some other All Pro packs, I guess. Anyway, 500 points. Who's gonna be our Elite Player? We get Super Switch. Okay, that's good. Except for the fact that I already have a goalkeeper, Oblak, 88 overall.
I'm sure he rigged it. The hell, man. What the hell? What the hell? Let's just try one more time. I'm honestly like starting to give up a little bit. Please, just don't let me down. Don't let me down. Oh yes! Oh yes! Yes, we got Malcolm. We got Malcolm, 85 overall, right wing card, unauctionable. I don't give a crap. Unauctionable, doesn't matter. We got an 85 overall in the first day of the game. Boy, oh boy, that's a banger pack. That is a banger pack. All the money I spent today, worth it. All the money I spent today, all worth it. Finally, thank God. Thank God. I thought I was going to be sitting here
right now. Plus the rewards are 2 Elite Player packs, 40 preseason points and 75,000 coins. The preseason points are actually pretty good because they give you daily preseason packs, which can give you pretty good play sometimes. Also, we unlocked the leagues feature, of course. So wait, we got Fabregas and Bakambu. Well, that's nice. Those are nice players. Okay, I mean, Fabregas ain't that fast though. Bakambu is a pretty good player. Okay, that's kind of good, I guess. Maybe I can set up. I like how the players come one by one, building the suspense up, like maybe you have something at the end, or that's possible, right? Oh, Elite Player. Oh yeah, Oblak. Oh, obviously 86 overall, man. We got the 86 overall Oblak. Well, I'm so glad I finally completed that Oblak card last week, because that is so useful now. Goalkeepers in this game are definitely very useful as far as for packs for you guys. And Elite Player, we get Bernardeschi. Okay, that's nice. 81 overall from Juventus. Bernardeschi. Damn, that's
for master players, for all those crazy stuff, all those crazy cards. Oh yes, we get all the win. We get all the win. Yes. Fam. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. That is sick. That is phenomenal. That is amazing. What a banger. What a pack. What a freaking pack. What an insane luck right there, man. What an insane luck. That is Phenomenal. Pack number 7, lucky number 7. Boom. Always works out, man. Always works out. Whoa, that is great. Base. Silver player, elite player, Gomez. Yes. Boom. You know, second elite player for the day. Second elite player for the match.
Again.